Using WooCommerce with WordPress, a beginner's guide. Using WooCommerce with WordPress is a powerful way to create a flexible and fully functional online store. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress, allowing you to sell physical products, digital goods, or services with ease. It provides everything you need to manage your online store efficiently. Steps to use WooCommerce with WordPress. 1. Install WordPress. If you don't already have a WordPress site, you can start by choosing a hosting provider that supports WordPress, such as SiteGround, Bluehost, or HostGator. Installing WordPress through your hosting service or downloading it from wordpress.org and installing it manually. 2. Install WooCommerce. Go to the WordPress dashboard. After logging into your WordPress site, navigate to Plugins. Add New from the left-hand menu. Search for WooCommerce. Type WooCommerce in the search bar, then click Install Now and Activate to enable the plugin. WooCommerce Setup Wizard. After activation, a setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration, including store details, payment settings, and shipping options. 3. Basic WooCommerce Setup. The setup wizard will take you through the following steps. Store details. Enter your store's address, currency, and the types of products you'll sell, physical or digital. Payment methods. Choose payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfers. Shipping options. Set up shipping zones and methods, such as flat rate or free shipping. Tax. Setup. WooCommerce can automatically calculate taxes based on your store's location if you enable the tax option. 4. Add products to your WooCommerce store. Once the initial setup is complete, you can start adding products. Navigate to Products. In the WordPress dashboard, click on Products. Add New. Enter product details. Add the product title, description, price, and other details such as size, color, or categories. Set product pricing. Enter the regular price and sale price, if applicable. Upload product images. Add a product image and gallery images to give customers a clear view of what you're selling. Manage stock. If your product has limited stock, you can set stock quantity and enable low stock notifications. 5. Customize your store with WordPress themes. To make your store look unique and professional, you can use themes that are compatible with WooCommerce, such as Storefront, a free theme built specifically for WooCommerce with seamless integration, Astra, OceanWP, or Divi, popular multi-purpose themes that allow for extensive customization with WooCommerce. You can install and customize your theme by going to Appearance, Customize in your WordPress dashboard. 6. Set up payments and shipping. Set up payment methods. Go to WooCommerce. Settings. Payments and choose the payment gateways you'd like to enable, such as PayPal or Stripe. Configure shipping. Go to WooCommerce. Settings. Shipping and define shipping zones and rates, including free shipping, flat rate, or local pickup. 7. Enhance functionality with WooCommerce extensions. You can enhance WooCommerce's features by installing additional plugins. WooCommerce subscriptions, for selling subscription-based products or services. WooCommerce bookings, allows customers to book appointments or services. Yoast, SEO, improves your store's SEO to attract more customers through search engines. 8. Manage orders and customers. When a customer places an order, WooCommerce will notify you, and you can manage all orders from WooCommerce. Orders. View order details. See customer information, product details, and payment status. Shipping management. Mark orders as shipped once they are fulfilled, and WooCommerce will notify the customer via email. 9. Optimize SEO and marketing. SEO, search engine optimization, is essential to ensure your store appears in search engine results. Use plugins like Yoast SEO to optimize product descriptions and titles with relevant keywords. Promote your products on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. 10. Track performance with analytics and reports. WooCommerce includes built-in reports that provide insights into sales, orders, and customer behavior. You can view reports under WooCommerce. Reports, including sales trends, best-selling products, customer demographics, stock management. For more advanced analytics, integrate Google Analytics to track customer behavior and improve your store's performance. Conclusion: using WooCommerce with WordPress provides a powerful platform for building a flexible and scalable online store. Whether you're selling physical or digital products, WooCommerce offers a wide range of features that allow you to manage your store efficiently and grow your business. By following this guide, you'll be well on your way to creating a professional and optimized e-commerce site.